Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Is Ethereum going to be blasting off here and going up, or are we going to start seeing the crash move back down? I want to go over that in this video, guys. Technical analysis we'll go over, and then we're going to go over to tradeconfident.io. We're going to look at the Ethereum charts, guys, the emotional index, the long versus short trades today, the market cap strength. Watch that millions are heading in favor for whales. Trades in favor, well and institutional smart money. We're gonna look at support, resistance, prices, dollar cost average entries, and in the day, showing you guys how to get into a trade setup. And speaking of trade setups, guys, we are currently 122 wins and 0 losses with our trading strategy. We've never lost a trade, so I will show you guys exactly how to get into our Telegram channel, how to get all the snazzy deals on our indicators right now because they're on sale, and then just give you guys everything you need to join us. All right, let's dive into the analysis. Ethereum is seeing a descending channel right now, or some people could call this a broadening wedge. I want to take us over here for a second, over to the SPY relative to the S&P 500 and show you guys something. This spot right here is a huge bounce zone. We saw this hit 1, 2, 3, looking at that fourth time. Something that I need you guys to be paying attention to is how fast have we recovered from bounces before or drops before in the S&P 500. We see the drop and then we see the bounce, over 100% bounce here. We saw the drop, 100% recovery. We saw the drop, over 100% recovery. If it's not 100, I'm seeing at least 50, if not more, percent recovery in the market. We can see the drop happening here and then a 50% recovery. Obviously over 100% recovery here. And this is the only place where I would say we probably got just to about 50% and then started heading back down. So what I'm looking for right now is trend exhaustion is super low. Well money flow is low. The green line is the well money flow. Pink line is price. Trend exhaustion is actually showing you guys the structures of crypto and the markets in general. Are they due for a move back up? If they're in the bottom red section, we're looking for moves back up, okay? When this is so low right here, I am looking for the S&P 500 to get at least a 50% retracement on this current cycle right here, which would put for Ethereum, if we look at this date frame, if we look at the high here, this is on April 21st. Let's go to Ethereum now. Looking at April 21st, it puts us over here. I'm looking for at least a minimum of a 50% retracement on Ethereum, which puts us at this structure high right here. This structure high is correlated over here to this right here, this resistance. Okay. Not only is it a zone of resistance, which is going to put us right about this 3,000, I'd say 3,000 to 3,010 mark, 3,033. It's also going to be part of the descending resistance. So this week, if I had to give us a prediction, and we'll look over more of the metrics to get a better idea, but I do feel like this week is a definite possibility for us to head up to $3,000 and get about 3 to 4% more in Ethereum before we need to reassess the metrics and indicators for a possible move down. Here's why I say that. Trend exhaustion low here. Well money flow low. This is where you guys are looking for pumps back up in the market. And guess what? We didn't get to the bottom, but we're low here. Trend exhaustion is low as well, and we're starting to see the move back up. When trend exhaustion reaches the top red section here, and the well money flow is moving up, this is where we're watching for drops back down. Why? Because it's happened in the past. So many times our indicators are able to call the drops before they happen. That's why a lot of you guys snag them, and I'll talk about them in the second half of the video. You guys can get them in the description. When this gets back up here, this is going to hit a resistance block. It's going to hit a resistance, a descending resistance for a trend line, as well as the block, and it's called a zone. That's where I'm watching for the next drop back down Ethereum. But I do believe this pump up here for the next few days could be pushing us up to about the exact mark, about $3,000, and then that's where we're looking for the move back down. Okay, those of you guys who are scalping with our indicators, you guys did great getting into this entry, taking 3 to 4%. You guys made the profit. Great job. Let's move over now to the actual metrics for Ethereum. The emotional index this morning, guys, is sitting in the neutral section. Now, mind you, all of our metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning, just so you guys know. So it's every single day they'll update. It's about 6:54 right now, so about an hour and 6 minutes, and they'll update for today. But look at this. Long versus short trades are still staying increased. Long trades are staying steady. Everyone's holding their trades right now. Everybody's in Ethereum right now, and they're like, okay, short trades think that this is just going to keep crashing back down. And yeah, you know what? They may get their way here, and we may go to structure low, right about 2,500, quarters theory level. It is possible. But we've got people going long in here that are like, no way, this thing's going to keep going up, and so they're holding their long trades. So it's kind of a tug of war. Let me give you guys some more information here. This is a very bullish sign to me, in my opinion. Here's why. Price action is actually going down here, and the market cap strength is moving up. Do you guys see this? This means tens of millions of dollars are moving into Ethereum while price action is going down. There's only one way to interpret this, guys. The whales and the institutions are buying Ethereum. We can see that the price is moving down the last few days and the money is flowing into Ethereum. This is a bullish sign that this is probably going to be the double bottom for a possible pushback up here to the zone. And if that breaks, guys, it's then going to be looking to target the high up here, which is right around this level of about 3,582. Let me get this here so you guys can see this. 5,582 or 3,600. 3,600 is probably going to be the high that we're going to target. Let's continue down here. Looking at this, trades in favor. You guys are waking up and you're like, hey man, Travis, I'll be honest. I just want to get into a trade because I want to feel that rush of dopamine. Okay, check this out. It is better to go long. When this comes up here and it says great short trade, there's a far more favor for you guys to get into short trades when it says short trades. When it says long, it's better to get into long trades. The amount of money you guys are going to save yourselves just by getting on the right side of the market using this metric is going to be pretty substantial. A lot of retail traders, I'll tell you guys, when the market's going up, they love to go long, but it's better to go short. Emotions in the market, when they take over and people are getting really greedy and excited, that's where institutions are actually going to be shorting the market and where it's going to be moving back down. Really watch your emotions and check your emotions with these metrics before you start trading. Speaking of emotions and whales and institutions, guys, take a look at this. When we saw this and the retail traders were getting very excited and greedy over here, the market going up, whales and institutions were looking to acquire the short trades. We can see the block over here. They pushed the market back down. We're seeing this happen over here where long trades are increasing over here for whales and institutions. This does back up the other metric over here, the on-chain metric, where we're seeing millions of dollars, tens of millions of dollars head into Ethereum. So you have money in Ethereum right now? Guys, the chances of it going up are far higher, in my opinion, than a move back down. Whales are buying. We see institutions coming here and acquiring. And we see long trades and short trades staying the same. Now, if short trades over here were to just skyrocket this morning, and it may happen, so watch the metric. If this thing just shoots up and long trades stay the same, it's going to put more pressure on short trades. That's why you guys can watch these metrics every day and get an idea of what's going on. Okay, support and resistance prices. The next resistance is 3,581, and then the next support is 2,445, so you guys can write that down. Basically, to come back over here, we're looking at this over here at this resistance, 3,042, 3,000 is the next place we're looking for a drop back down on Ethereum. Dollar cost average entries, let's get you guys into a trade setup. Let's say you have, $10,000. You guys want to throw $1,000 into each green line. This is a really good metric to get you guys into what's called diamond hand holding positions, where you guys can hold trades for the long term. Okay, I came out with a video, this was yesterday, or my apologies, 2 days ago, and I told you guys this is some of the best times to get into dollar cost average holds for the long term. I told you guys in the video I was going to put money in the exchange, and let me show you what I did so you guys can see this. The default portfolio, let's not mistake that. The default portfolio, guys, is what I'm not going to change. This is what we're trading our main strategy with, and we've never lost a trade. I did create a research and development fund for me because I'm trying to work on some other fun strategies for you guys, and I'm trying to test to see, do we have the best one? So I'm like, there's no way I'm going into the profits of what I'm tracking with you guys because I want to keep it 100% transparent. That's going to stay the same. So I just put some money here to track some things for research and development. And then I did end up putting some money in for a hodl. That was off the video that came out 2 days ago. That was the official call. So this is never going to go higher than this balance. This balance is never going to go higher than this. It's just a couple small accounts that I have that I can work on things to make sure we actually have the best strategy possible, because there's no way I'm going to mess it up and mess up the integrity of the trades that we've taken. So our main portfolio is 150,000 is break even, and we're at 130 right now, which I believe is down. It's about 13% right now. So we're not doing bad at all. Most accounts are down around that 50 to 55% right now. But since we're using good risk management, which I'm going to show you guys right now, here is how we have won literally all 122 wins on this channel. And then after this, I'll show you guys how to get the indicators and all that. But let's go into this. Go over here to the front page where it says crypto charts, and you're going to scroll down where it says Bitcoin charts. Here's what you guys are going to do. Scroll all the way down, and here's how you guys take the trade setup today on Ethereum. And this is how we've never lost a trade. Obviously, we're looking at Ethereum over here, but the chart for Ethereum is going to be up, and you guys can watch this. What's going to happen is you guys are going to see 4 yellow buy limits. Choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. All of our traders can do this. Split that $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250 at each of the yellow buy limits. Now place $250 at each of the 4 yellow buy limits, and then set up a sell limit. at the green price up here. So for Bitcoin, it's 59,990. Getting in right here, and you're setting up a sell limit. Ethereum, you're going to see the exact same thing, 4 different buy limits. Now, once you guys' first buy limit is hit, follow me in Telegram. I will literally be calling out all the exits for you guys, every single one of them. And that's what you guys can get into the Telegram channel for, and you guys can trade that. Real quick, the actual Ethereum trade, I'll end with this and I'll show you guys how to get into everything else. Here's the setup for the Ethereum trade that we're currently in. Let me put this back on the chart for you guys so you can see this. We are currently in this trade right here. I've got money in this trade as well. So our break-even entry is sitting over here, and it's right about 3,383. We have 4 different buy limits, and this is our break-even right here. So once we pass above this, I'll be calling an exit in Telegram for everybody. But all of you guys who are new to this channel, you guys want to learn our strategy, get into this right now, and you guys will be able to take advantage of this and actually exit with me. And you're going to be doing approximately about 32% if you exit this. Okay, guys? All right, I'll transition you guys into the last part of the video now so you guys can see how to get everything. I love you guys. Have an awesome day and watch what's next. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. It literally means the world to me. If you liked anything in this video, feel free to subscribe and I'll definitely keep coming out with this content. All right, getting you guys into our trading strategy, our indicator sell, everything you need to trade with us. Here's how you do this. Below all of our videos, including this one, you'll see a description section. You want to click this link right here. It says access trade setups, metrics, masterclasses, and Telegram. And then underneath that, we have the bundle pack sale that's going on. I also pinned these to the first comment of the YouTube video so you guys can click this. Click on this. It will take you guys over to our website. Guys, everything is kept transparent and open. Our win rate is right here, and you come straight down, and our membership is just $95 a month. All the metrics that you guys get to literally spy on the whales, see what the whales and institutions are doing, trade with them. You guys can see that on all of the 14 coins that we have over here. You guys also get access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling all of the entries and every single one of the exits for you for our win rate that has never lost. You guys get all of that. You are also going to get the master classes that I've literally taught multi-million-dollar hedge funds as well as billion-dollar hedge funds how to trade the markets. And you guys can get that in the master classes. And then possibly one of the coolest features we actually added for everyone was a community chat. And you guys can click that up here where we're all just chatting together, looking for trade setups, talking to each other, encouraging one another, sharing profits. It's super, super fun. And then on top of that, every single month, I go live with our whole family, all of our members, in a Zoom call. I go over, teach you guys something in the beginning, and then I open it up for a Q&A session so you guys can ask me things you're seeing in the market so you can consistently get good education and learn how to trade the strategy better, okay? That's the membership. Let me show you guys the indicators, and then I'll show you guys how to get the tutorial videos to trade our strategy, and then we'll end this, okay? The indicators are simple, guys. We've got a bundle pack sale going on right now. It's 82% off. You guys want to snag this. The 3 indicators we use every single day on our charts and what our traders use is the price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. If you use coupon code SAVE MONEY, you'll get 40% off these 3. And then if you use SAVE MONEY again, you'll get 60% off the other 6. But the best thing to do today is to actually get the bundle pack because it's better than both those deals together. You're actually getting 82% off all of our indicators. And this is a one-time purchase, and you get our indicators and the source code to the indicators for life. So nobody can take them away from you guys. These are 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before. This is what we jokingly call the jackpot indicator. So guys, please use it cautiously, and please watch the videos to each of our indicators, but the bundle pack is the best deal. These indicators are helping us call pumps before they happen and drops before they happen, which is resulting in profits for a lot of our members. I'll show that to you guys really quick, and I'll show you guys how to get into our trade setups. Our traders, this is just some examples, $2,777 on EOS with our 3 indicators: trend exhaustion, price for swell money flow, and the trend dashboard. Okay, this guy's over here is like, I've won 4 trades. I've won 4 long trades in the last 2 weeks, up 4% on each. Awesome. This guy down here, $485 yesterday, another $661. And then you guys want to see something that's kind of crazy? This guy down over here literally does $23,000 in a week using the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow indicators. Okay, this got down over here to $6,310 with the indicators in our strategy. Then a guy down here goes over and does $3,500 the week of using the indicators and the metrics when he got them. And then this guy over here does $43,000 in 4 days with the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow. Guys, seriously, the bundle pack of indicators, you want to snag that as well as the membership. You will have everything you need to trade crypto successfully. All right, the strategy to trade this, go to any of the charts, the coins on the front page, any of them, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you guys go. Here's the full strategy right here of how to trade exactly like we trade, and we've never lost a trade trading this way. If you want something a little more fast and fun, which honestly, guys, has actually never lost a trade either, and I'm keeping track of this, is the masterclass for how to scalp. So go to the masterclasses, scroll down here, and watch Masterclass 7, how to scalp with our indicators and metrics. This is a faster paced scalping strategy, and literally, it has never taken a loss yet. The membership is all yours, guys. The indicators are all yours. Everything is on sale. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Get the membership as well as the indicators in the description. I pinned it to the first comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.